Hey everyone! Gameloop is an Android emulator that lets you play mobile games like PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, or COD Mobile on your PC or laptop. Here's you can easily download and install it. First, open your browser on your laptop and in the search bar type Gameloop download and click the official link, and on the home page, click the download button. And once the installer is downloaded, open the file and click install. Now wait for the installation to finish, then launch Game Loop. Now you can search and download your favorite mobile games inside Game Loop and play them on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Game Loop in your computer. Now you can enjoy mobile games with better graphics and smooth performance on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.